first report, and then we'll move on with the project report. So what do you mean by feasibility report? What do you mean by feasibility report? It is who's preparing that report, first of all. Who's preparing that feasibility report? It is prepared by the promoter. Okay, so when he is preparing it after the project formulation, once he decided with the project, the promoter is the one preparing this feasibility report. Now, clear who's preparing this feasibility report? Is the promoter is the one preparing the feasibility report after creating the project. And then what happens? What is the content of a feasibility report? What it contains exactly? It contains all the factors which contributes for the feasibility of the project. Again, what ma'am you are talking about the feasibility. Could you please tell me what is the meaning of feasibility? அப்படின்னா எப்படி ப்ராக்டிக்கலா அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் வயபிளா இருக்குமா இல்லையா? Okay, so feasibility study is nothing but it is an assessment of the practicality of the proposed project or system. Okay, so it is the assessment of the practicality of the proposed project. அததான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்? Feasibility study அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Okay, so இந்த feasibility ஸ்டடியோட மெயின் மோட்டோ என்ன அப்படின்னா, இது வந்து எதெல்லாம் வந்து அப்ஜெக்டிவிட்டி அண்ட் எதெல்லாம் வந்து what are all the strength and what are all the weakness which is related to the project. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் பற்றி கவர் பண்ணுறது தான் this feasibility study is all about. So a feasibility study aims to objectively and rationally uncover the strengths and weaknesses of the existing business or proposed venture, opportunities, threats which is present in the natural environment. Okay, so in the feasibility study, we'll study about nook and corner of the project. I mean, the resources required and what are all the threats related to the project, what are the opportunities prevailing in the project, and what are all the strength of the project, what are the weaknesses of the project. Okay, what is the main objective of the project? So all those stuff we cover in the feasibility study. So on the whole, if you say what it contains, if you talk about the content of a feasibility study, it is nothing but the factors which contributes for the feasibility of the project is known as feasibility study. Are you able to understand this, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till now? So this is about feasibility study. Okay, now what it contains. So already I told you about the content of feasibility study. So I'll just list out the main content of feasibility report. Number one, the introduction part. So introduction is nothing but the general descriptive explanation about the nature and extent of the industry is given in this part. So it will just explain you about the nature of the industry and the extent of the industry, all that. The quite explanation about all those stuff will be given in the feasibility reports. That is about the introduction part. And then selection of the project. Okay, so how the project is selected, the know-how related to choosing that particular project, and a description regarding the process of a project. So all that will be clearly explained in the selection of the project and its overview. And the third element in the content of a feasibility report is project analysis. What do you mean by analysis? It is nothing but the first step is identifying the problem of the project. So, இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணுறோம், அந்த ப்ராஜெக்டில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம என்ன ஹெட்டிங் எழுதுறோம்? ப்ராப்ளம் டெஃபினேஷன் எழுதுறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் we'll study about objective of the study. Then we'll do the data analysis part. So based on the analysis, we'll find something. We'll come out with the finding. Then based on the finding, we'll write the suggestions. So likewise, even in a feasibility report, we'll write the project analysis, where the first thing in the analysis part is identifying the problem. Okay, and then examining the factors which is contributing to that problem, and finding out the other analysis like finance, marketing, uh, uh, technical part. All those analysis will take part later on. So that is about project analysis. And then market research. Okay, so market research is nothing but it is examining about the demand and supply part of the a product. Okay, how much there is a demand of a particular product and how much there is a supply in the market. So all those analysis will be done in this element of market research. And then financial analysis. Okay, so it describes the project from the point of view of finance. Okay, so financial, how well the project is established. Is it financially strong or financially weak? Okay, is it having sufficient money to run the business in future? Is it earning sufficient profit? So all those analysis will come under the category of financial analysis. And the last part of the content of feasibility report is social cost benefit analysis. Okay, so the social cost benefit analysis is nothing but, okay, what is the overall benefit of the project on the society? Okay, what about that the project society which is deriving, what is the society, how much society will get benefited out of the project. So that is all about social cost benefit analysis. So the overall content of the feasibility report, the side headings in the content of the feasibility report is introduction, selection of a project, project analysis, market research, financial analysis, social cost benefit analysis. Am I clear?
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I clear? Yeah. Now, move on to the importance of project report. Okay. So, why this project report is very important from the point of view of entrepreneur? Abhina, it highlights the practicality of the project in terms of different factors. Okay, what are all the factors like economy, finance, technology, and the social desirability? So it explained the practicality of the project. So that is all about the content, the importance of project report. And what are the content of project report? What it contains, Abhina? It describe about the enterprise, the description of the enterprise, and the enterprise என்ன அந்த கம்பெனியில் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, என்ன ப்ராடக்ட் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க, okay, how much they are manufacturing, from where they are getting the raw material. So all those where it is located, all those basic details about the enterprise will be given in the description part. And then the second content, the second thing we can talk about, the product characteristics. Like specifically you can say that what is the specification of a project, what are all the standards and quality of the project, and what is the process that they use it in the production work. So all those stuff will be explained in the um, um, project report, the good project. In the good project report, you can find all those details. Apart from this, we can also come to know about market position and trends. What is the position of a particular company in the market? So if you say that the company called Nika is doing good in the online business, Abdina, what is the financial status of a Nika company. Are they earning good profit? So all those stuff, this project report, um, containing all those information. And apart from this, apart from the market position, it also contains the details about the description of plant and machinery equipments which is used by the manufacturing concern. What are all the plants used by them, what are all the machineries used by them, and what are all the equipment specially used for manufacturing a particular product. So all those stuff. Anirudh, roll number 28, and whomever left the meeting, cut their attendance. Come on, cut their
Ma'am, roll
attendance.
number 28 இன்னிதான் மேம் இருக்கா? 28 is there only ma'am.
But இப்பதான் left the meeting னு வந்துச்சு.
மேம் வேற அக்கவுண்ட் மாறி இருப்பான் மேம்.
Anirudh, I had issues, so I rejoined.
பாரு யாரெல்லாம் வந்து வெளியே போயிருக்கான்னு பாரு பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் லிஸ்ட். வெளியே போனவங்க நம்பரை தூக்கிடு.
ஓகே மேம்.
நம்பர் 16 இல்லன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இருக்கானா பாரு.
மேம் ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேம் பார்த்துறேன் மேம். 16 or 60 மேம்?
16.
Ma'am, I'm there in the meeting, ma'am.
You're there. Okay, fine. Okay, so it contains the market position and trends, and it describe about the machinery and equipments which is used in the product, and it also contains the details about the technology which is used by the company, and it contains the details about the factors and the quantity of the required factors of production. What are all the factors used by the company to manufacture the product? What are the factors of production? Can anyone tell me? What are all the factors of production?
Capital, land, labor, and
excuse me. Land, labor, capital, and organization. So these are all we call it as factors of production. So this project report contains the details about the factors of production as well, and it also contains the details of name and the addresses of the suppliers, whomever supplying the product to the company. So their details also will be very well explained in the project report. And what are all the prices of inputs, what are all the prices of factors, even those details clearly mentioned in the project report. Apart from that, how much is the requirement of fuel, how much is the other utilities requirement, even those details very well clearly mentioned in the project report. And it also contains the details about labor requirement, எவ்வளோ பேர் தேவைப்படுறது, எவ்வளோ human resource தேவைப்படுறது to run the company. So that detail also given in this project report. So apart from that, what are all the cost of production, how much is the fixed cost, how much is the variable cost, okay, and how much revenue created by the company, and how much revenue generated by producing per unit of a product. So all those details also you can very well find it in the project report. And apart from this, even it contains the details about the way in which the company have raised their funds, how they raised the funds, and what about the profitability statement, the profitability analysis, what about the inflow of cash, how the cash is generated by the company. And it will also contains the details about the break-even analysis, and it also contains the details of implementation schedule. So all those details you can find it in the project report. Is that clear?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. So can anyone summarize? Can anyone summarize?
Importance of project report, ma'am?
Yes.
So in importance of project report, we will be having it is nothing but it explains what are all the important factors which are there in a feasibility report or project report. So the First one, it describes about the details of the enterprise, like for example, the name of the enterprise, address, etc., etc. Then what are it also gives a good project reports, which are project reports. What are the market trends and positions, and describes the plant and machinery and equipment which are used during production. It contains all the factors of production which the enterprise uses, and also maintains the supplies names and address, as well as the price of the raw materials, along with the labor required to produce a product, as and their salaries, as well as the revenue required. That's all, ma'am.
Super, Animal. That's a great job. Okay, so with that, I'm closing the session. You can join in others class. And Anirudh, kindly send me the report. So I'll
Yes.